Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Today we need to create here the glossary app. Inside we need to call here the API with using the HTTP package, and we need to use here the GetX package we need to use here inside, and we need to create here the MVVM patterns we need to follow this project inside. First of all, we need to need here some package we need to import here. First of all, we need to go inside the swap space and we need to import here the some packages. First of all, need to open here the dots and to write down here the getx and need to open these here and to get here the install versions and to copy this here and now need to paste this here. Then after another package we need to install for the API calling to user the HTTP package we need to use here. We need to put this here. This versions we need to use. Then after we need to install here the save the local data inside the share preference. We need to create here the share preference libs. We need to add here. And after we need to install here the for time zones gets for the inits and date time functions. We need to date format function to write down here the dependency overrides. We need to function use here because some functions are not working. That's why I need to forcefully upgrade this package here, set the dependency override. And after we need to create here the Flutter time zones plugins we need to here and we need to save this here, load this package. We need to previous project inside me to root delivery app inside me to create here the some basic API calls, and for the beginners for to use here the how to call it the HTTP package we need to use here some packages. Need to already here the list out here the this check these URLs and to here use here the HTTP package, their preference, easy loadings. Need to no needs here the easy loading not use here project inside. First of all, we need to go inside these URLs and to use here some package. First of all, we need to import here to use here this localcast to use copy this all text here and to create here the files inside. We need to write down here paste. Oops. Now need to paste this here to see here. We need to import this package. We need with this package or use here the API calls. Then we need to start these loaders. Need to here and go inside the swap space. Start this here. Now need to save this here. Okay, now need to then afterwards need to set the bin files and need to configure some system to globally defines here sets preference set mains and to first of all need to input this package and then after need to initialize for this HTTP override files here and to write down here HTTP override. These all are the configure in the some previous video. get here. Turn details, so please watch the previous video on it. Get the URL inside the descriptions. Watch how to create here the API, basic API callings, and save how to share preference in details video. Get here the food delivery meals package inside to here. Now need to paste this here, save this here. Then after to set the main files and keep on these main files. Yeah, here, and to write down here first of all import this IO package. After me to my HTTP write package we need to put here, and then after me to write down here the things. Now need to here, and first of all need to set here get steps. We need the get. Now need to save this here. This is the important parts of the package. That the get materials apps, not only materials, you need to get the get package. That's what to easy to manage the state, and some default function is inside available to work here the get materials apps inside. Then after me to configure here the easy loading to these functions and write down and to paste this here reports. For this package. Now need to sites and here's get this and to functions inside. Cheers. Placed. Okay, no, not get. Now need to configurations to get the service calls class. We need to copy stopwatch and here. Now need to send to create here the new files service call. This course years. This one things. Logo. Now need to save this here. And after me to extensions. Extensions. Now need to here save this, and now need to here first of all create here the div inside to write down here models. Inside need to create here the data models, and after get here the view model folders. You need to set to write down it. Connect with the models and view. We need integration here, the API calling like save data. So we need to get the set the view models, and view already are the created here. First of all, need to write down here login view controllers. We need to develop here the first of all to new files and to login. Upon to write down here the class login stand, write down from, and to here escape. Now need to define here the some property for screens into stopwatch. Login screens, else passwords. Need to get here variable inside the GetX controllers. Suppose need to put this error words inside the settings. Now need to define here the final and to write down here the get here the text editing controller. What and I'm going to get for the password password and to copy this controller's value, and after me to get here the show passwords full variable. Write down here the false false. After me to get here another thing here, write down here now need to write down here functions service call. Write down here void call login, and after me to write down functions and we need to the initialize value. Need to write down here the get the t dot text there by default into text, Cheers and dot text 3 message. Write down here it. Put this here. Same like now need see. Now need to this dollars dot value. Write down. Okay, now need to go inside here the login view. First of all, need to set the login. This on its here the GetX and see. First of all, need to define here the finals and to write down login. To write down short name MV. Suppose import here get library and now need to see here and need to use view modes inside. You need to configure else dot value. Now need to send cheers change txt password and to configuration set here show point the way put here so well because we need provide not replace cheers and login and show so functions are inside here and write down here here. Now need to cheers first of all so need to go inside sign in view and for the logins I need to not create now so friends for the login with sign up and Now need to here. Here. Now need to put him. Guns and set definitions down here. It's optional. Now need to pass this value. And to set these colors here. Not and to use here the primary colors. Now need to save this here. Now need to cheers and to attacks. Triple in the shortcut method. What's here the context, put widgets and automatically navigate to the screen. And another buttons we need to create here first of all to copy these shirts, paste these shirts and colors. Sign up buttons we need to create here, and to get to navigators function would do here. Write down here, sign up. View and to what people put this here. Now need to save this here. But here sign up with emails. Here. Now need to click here first of all to sign in with the emails to work, and to by default need to initialize and have this some results. Now need to initialize created and initialize certs. Need to give here some warnings. You need this warning that page you need to cheers and now need to And now need to write down here the function need to check passwords is goods. You cannot set here the first of all not set this value, not reflect this UI. Write down, not change any options here. You always put here the observations need to set here, and after need to work this here. Now it is working goods, and now need to write down here click events. The calls here, the calls need to see here. Write down here login view models and to call here the service calls. Inside we need to write down here the service call functions with methods. Call method, set here the parameters, check here to use here the login API and test this API. Change this API. Now need to call again. Get this response here. This is the SignUp login API and on URL Xcode. Now need to set this value. I passed here the email address. Write down the value text property return this here, and then after to set here the password. The password value dot text, and after we to load sweep package. Now we need to success callback events and to write down here. Write down response of write down since. Now need to write down failures methods to write down errors. Just add package here. Show snack bars that here. Here. Also inside here. Set loops and name first of all. Need to set this here. This and to set here. And to change here the callings and to this. Forget sorry. Here. Commit. Now need to set the Judy. And now need to change that here first string at the snack bars and to names need to set here. Now need to save cheers. Copy cheers. Now need to return here the response and this here change string. Now need to save here and to one another parameter and to device tokens. Now need to not tokens need to let's pass here the blank value to set here. Now need to this years and to fire this API. Check this here. Flex here's any stop also need to go inside the login view. Save this here. Now need to now successfully you need to return here get here's this response. First of all, we need to save this response after we here these controllers release the memory. First of all, to go inside here and need to write down here response object plus one just here this here. Now need to save this object dot and optionals. First of all, we need to save inside the database. We need common function need to data here. Share preference. We need to function data set. Now need to go inside here. Model view. Set. The payloads. Check these here. Now need to write down here to set one flag for the login. Set. Full. Docker. Now need to go inside here and deploy. Now need to write down here first of all the clear these controllers here. Here to release this memory here. Now need to save this here. Now need to this is what successfully get this message here, and now need to get here the another controllers need to develop here the play screen. What view models need to develop. Write down here. Flash. Now need to copy this here. This will import this get package. Write down here. Models. Write down since suppose we need the models need to appear. Need to instruments. Copy this response. Set the models. Need to one CUR and now need to create that codes. Need to copy this here. Write down inside the models. Now need to paste this codes here, and this user model of the create here done. So need to save this here. Now need to copy this and write down screens inside. So need to copy here. and to import this here models and save this here. Now need to set here value is equal to standard. Get here the chance. Here write down charts, copy here screens and this line. Cheers. Not log. Sorry. Write down the that here. Welcome. Not to constituent. And then after logins, then to debut. Here. Now need to controls here. Here. Set the screens and ports. And here finals. Models need change. Put here text. Save this. Now need to see here. Go set this here. Now need to restart here. Okay, now this app automatically redirect to main screen, so need to redirect this. And now need to go inside accounts and need to logouts buttons need to mention to write down here. First of all, write down here about buttons event. Go inside the write down inside the logins view and to some columns here. Here. Now need to save this here. Here. Save this here. Screen. Now need to call these functions inside here. These controllers minus dash find text and some columns and here. Now need to copy this and to functions here call controllers methods. Save this here. Now need to the logouts. Automatic the logout screen is here. This is the flow here, the create duns. Now need to use here the sign up controllers need to create here. First of all need to copy these controllers here, all data, and to create here the new files to write down here the sign up to model. Dots. And now need to paste this here, rename this here, sign up. Now need to save this here and to text fields. username or text. Similar password need to now need to write down your sign up methods and to check your statement which is add users t or sports sign save this year's side change and confirm save this here. Now need to sign up model flow need to sign up here. This here. Now need to clear the dollars logins right down here. Remove this here. Only it's the dollars patterns right down here. Sign now. Yeah, equal to get suppose we need to import this get package here. Decided to initialize cheers and put here extensions cheers copy the cheers and we need to some more options here. Cheers and on it. Turn it to save observation. Here. Here. Now need to passwords event methods here write down show sort and up. Save this here. Now need to check it some problem. t text empty here snack bars. Password. Password. Correct. Six. Copy on share. Need to send utils here. T go to where dot text it is and need to save this here. Now need to copy this function and side here. Now need to save this here and to test these examples. First of all, I sign up successfully to reach this message and to start this app. Check here the direct login work or not. This is work and to now need to defaults will you need to set here. Set it here. Now need to start up. Enter the this pop-up here. This is the flow here. We to use here the get package to call API view models. We need to use here and to create